Today is sadly our last full day in Chiang Rai. Everything we wanted to see and do here was split pretty evenly into things we wanted to see and food-related experiences.
So yesterday we went and saw all the awesome temples that are around here and the sites of attraction. But today we wanted to explore the town again, but this time through our stomachs.
Super excited because we haven't really done a food tour to explore a city before, but there is a lot of things we want to try here. There's a cafe and then there's a northern Thai specialty that we have been dying to try since we've gotten to Thailand, and we finally get to have it today.
But first, following masses of really good reviews of this hotel, they do have an included breakfast which seems to change daily. So we're going to start right here.
Day with our breakfast we get a fresh juice as well. Yesterday's was pineapple and ginger, and today is pineapple and carrot, and it is delicious.
How good does that look? Scrambled eggs and bacon, heaps of different types of fruits, lots of pineapples, strawberries. The colours are just insane. I'm so excited to get this.
So that's 2 mornings now that this breakfast has been 10 out of 10. The eggs are perfectly cooked. The bacon on top today was a nice little surprise, but the fruit is the real winner, I think, of the breakfast. It's also fresh and flavourful. The mango is my favourite, that's why I leave it to last. So yesterday we stumbled across this really cool cafe, but it happened to be shut when we were there. So we're heading back there now for our second morning coffee. I think it'll be pretty obvious why we want to go there when we arrive, but let's just say we're going to have some little friends with us. Just ordered some iced mocha lattes, and we get to hang out with all of these cute cats, and they've got smushed faces. This one keeps sneezing and getting a little snot bubble. They've got all of their beds, they've got like a little hideaway hole, some food, all of the things that they can jump on. I don't really like cats that much. It's probably not the right place to say that. I just don't know how to read them very well, so it always scares me when they make a quick movement because I don't know if they're going to scratch me. But they're so cute. Arguably one of the best coffees we've had so far. I did not expect to like this as much as I have.
Yeah, me neither. I'm contemplating buying another drink so we can stay a little bit longer.
Yeah, we are almost out. The coffee is amazing, so even that by itself. We've been here for an hour.
Jesus. I was going to say like maybe 25 minutes.
Yeah. It's so much fun. They're all just doing whatever they want to do. Wearing leggings was probably a bad idea because they're covered in cat hair now. but worth it. I really didn't expect much, and I never expected to go to a cat cafe in Chiang Rai, but a great experience.
Yeah, I'm glad we walked past.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, come here if you do come to Chiang Rai.
I love it.
Was great. Now we're off to get some lunch and try the much anticipated noodle dish from northern Thailand called Khao Soi.
I'm so excited. Today's been great.
Yeah.
Food tours are amazing. To what looks like this super local spot. We are basically the only tourists in here to get Khao Soi, which we've wanted to try for such a long time. We've heard that you must wash it down with a milk tea. This is like so sweet. I think it's got condensed milk in it, that's why it's super sweet. Khao Soi is like the northern Thai specialty dish. It's got noodles and fried noodles, chicken, and like creamy, rich, kind of spicy broth. I read a blog online that said it's exotic without being weird. I'm excited to try it. It looks like you make up a little dish on the spoon and then you eat that. My chopstick skills leave something to be desired. I understand what they mean by exotic but not weird. It's like this whole new flavour, but it has similarities to like chicken noodle soup to start with and then like a yellow curry maybe. But it's really good. Do you want to try some?
Really like how we can do it.
Put it on there.
We weren't too sure about it, so we just got one bowl to share. Mistake. We should have got a bowl each. I think this is my favourite thing so far that we're in Thailand. Wow. Really good. But my tip is get a bowl each.
So that place was amazing. I love that it was super local and that we were the only people there. We're definitely going to get Khao Soi again. But now we've got a few hours to kill until we head out for dinner.
We made it to dinner. We treated ourselves to a beer tonight and we are copying our friend and we've got a kind of cook yourself barbecue. They said it was one of the best things that they've eaten when they've been in Thailand.
Don't really know what we're doing or if anything's cooked, to be completely honest, but it looks good and it's fun. It's really good.
Bit of sweet chili sauce on this one as well. Really good. Ooh, hot. Like chili. I like it. That was good.
It was such a good day. I love seeing a city through our stomachs.
Yeah. Best part, I think the Cat Cafe was probably one of the best.
Yeah, I think that's my favourite. And then probably Khao Soi. I can't wait to have it again.
Oh, Khao Soi was delicious. Like that was really nice, that experience there and cooking it.
It was really cool. And it's
really
such
cool.
a fun experience. But tomorrow, unfortunately, we leave beautiful Chiang Rai to head for Chiang Mai. Still in the north, which is nice.
I reckon wander back home, get to bed and then get up and get on the bus.
Great day though.
Good day.